Hello everybody, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress from your web host. So now I'm going to show you a different way of how to install WordPress from your web host. I'm going to my web host, bluehost.com, login. From Bluehost dashboard we go to Advanced, where we can access the CPanel. Here in CPanel we have different options that can manage different things in our web host. And for example, here we have the file manager, where we can manage all the files that are located in our web host, or we have this section here that we can manage our database. And these are two main things that we need to install WordPress through CPanel. And the first thing that I would like to do is to create a database for my new WordPress website. And to do that, go to MySQL databases. Here we type the database name, coffee shop TP for example, create database. Another thing that I'd like to do after creating the database is add my user to. We go to this section here, database, coffee shop, and make add. In this way I have full access in this database. Press all privilege and make change. Okay, after we've done this, we turn back to CPanel option and we go to File Manager. In the File Manager we are going to create a new subfolder for our new site. Go to Public HTML. Here we are going to create a new folder for our new website. We enter the new created folder. Okay, here we are going to upload the zip file from WordPress.org. After the download, we drag and drop here and wait till it gets uploaded. Now that upload is finished, we go to the new directory that we just created, and here we see our zip file. Extract the zip file here, close. Okay, reload this. We may delete this, confirm, and here we select all the files. We press move. Here we choose as root folder the new created folder inside the web host. Move files. Go back. Create this because it is unnecessary. So next step is to go to our primary domain / new created file, that is coffee shop 1. Okay, here we go to the WordPress installation page. Continue. Let's go. Here the database name is the name of the database that we just created, that was coffee shop DB. The username is the username of the user that we added to the database after we created the coffee shop DB. And for me that was password. We will name the user password, database host localhost, and the prefix WP. Here we paste the password. To find the password that you don't remember, you can go to an existing website that you have and you use the same username for that and open the wconfig. Here, press edit. Okay, submit. Okay, here we have a problem with the connection in the database. This is because I have forgot to write the prefix to my database name, so I'm going to use try again. You write the password, submit. Okay, now that all the errors were clear, we run the installation. So subtitle the same, coffee shop, username. Here, in different from the first step, here we can choose our username. So coffee admin, password, and email contact at Mustafa Aga. Okay, install WordPress. Login. I have just logged in my new WordPress website that is created using CPanel from my web host admin. We make the visit site, and as you see is the same as the two last one that I've shown to you before. Next time we are going to choose a theme and install some plugins in this new website. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, make sure to like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.